Now see, they had to do a little bit of prep work. They had to install a window stop right up here at the top, and on the sides apparently. And then they're going to seal that in, and then they put these frames in. Doesn't really take that much if you know how to read a level and do a few odds and end things. You can install these windows too. Okay, see, here's the opening here. That's the framework. They're just going to lift that into the opening, and they had to do some pre-measuring before they came out to make sure that these fit. You want to give yourself some slop. The window company will give you some slop when they measure these. And incidentally, if you want to install these, maybe you get the glass company to come out and do all the measuring, provide all the windows and all the trim for you and all that, and then you install them yourselves. Whatever, you know. See, now they're going to take that, and he's doing some measuring there. And then he's going to decide whether or not he needs to go up a little bit. He's got some of those little shims. He's taking his level to make sure it's level and it looks good. And on the sides, he'll plumb that up. Plumb means straight with a level, straight up and down. Vertical is plumb. Horizontal from left to right is level. Okay? See how they're painted on the inside? Because the interior is that color. The exterior is the red. Cool. They checked it first to see if it fit. Now they're putting the windows in the frame here before they put it up. See, there's a little computer room there, and there's some plywood there that protects the computer room and stuff. And there's a shelf up there, and they didn't want to have to take the shelf down. See, way up high there's a shelf, and then that plywood, they would have had to taken that off to put these in from inside. So if you have anything up against your window on the inside, can you do it a different way on these particular windows? Yes, you can. Just like how they're doing it. They were able to check it first. See, they happened to do this other one. They shimmed it and installed the outside framework first, then slid the windows in from the inside. Well, see, they've already checked it to make sure it all fits right. Now they've got it set just like a regular window, a fixed window frame like most windows are. And now they're going to lift that entire thing up in there, make sure it fits and everything. Just lift that entire window frame up in there. I guess you got to know a little bit what you're doing with these types of windows. And see, I think it's designed that you can slide the window down from the top, or you can lift it up from the bottom. That's how these types of windows are. Not all windows are created the same. You can get fixed windows with just a slider at the bottom and have it all a continuous piece. But these particular windows are made a different way. They slip together quite nice if you know what you're doing. There was a mini blind in there. They're going to be kind enough to take their air nozzle and kind of clean this off a little bit.
How you doing? Good. Doug left me a card for you. He had to run to an appointment, I guess.
See, they're gonna put that back up there because it's a computer room, and they're just gonna slip that back up in there for the time being. Later on, if the building owner wants to replace it, he can by taking that plywood down. That's why they're doing this, just because that plywood's up there. So they're doing it slightly a different way. Is there always two ways to do something? Yes. This time they slipped the whole thing in there in one go. See? If you have anything inside in the way of the window, you can do it that way too. They're going to check it with their level, and then they'll plumb it up And then they can put shims on the right and left hand side and on the bottom if they have to, if the seal's not perfectly level. Okay. Okay, so when you're installing windows, yes, if you have a friend who knows halfway how to read a level and how to make sense of things, you can do it too. Now if they have to rip the trim a little bit to make it fit in there, so be it. The main thing is that you want your windows straight, square, and true. That way the slider portion of your window slides properly and it doesn't drag. Remember that. You were wondering, do I have to drill holes in these windows? No, see that right there? That's a pre-finished hole, and then they give you some little caps that snap right on in there. That's what he's doing right now. He's putting those in. Those are pre-finished, the same color. And up on the top, they didn't give them any white ones. They gave them some dowels. So he's got some holes up here, and he's gonna put a dowel in there, and then you can paint it the same color as your window jamb. That's how you're going to cover up those holes. Well, they measured those pretty close. Now see that shim up there? Right there. That's composite shim material. And here's what it looks like. This is plastic. They won't warp, they won't snap off, crack or anything. And this is what they use nowadays. Lots of window companies. And you can bend and snap this off, or you can score it still with your sheetrock knife on the back, and these snap right off. You gotta get some of these. Energy saving windows, and that's about the only kind of window you can install nowadays is a double hung window. Anything with the Energy Star on it is what you want.